Good morning students. Chapter number 4, Adaptation in Animals. Student, in previous lecture we have discussed classification of animals based on body structure, adaptation to environment or habitat, adaptation for food. Now student, in this lecture we will discuss the last topic is endangered animals. Have you listened the name of dodo? Yes student. Now this dodo are present on the earth. Animals like dodo are no longer found on earth. They are called extinct animals. What do you mean by the extinct animal, student? Extinct means animals that have disappeared from the earth. They are not present on the earth. They have disappeared. Are called extinct animals. Dinosaurs that lived millions of the years ago are also extinct animals. So, what do you mean by the extinct animals? Extinct means, student, animals that have disappeared from earth. As you all know student, human beings are destroying the homes of animals by cutting down trees, destroying forests, polluting rivers and seas, and even killing animals for skin, flesh and bones. So student, if we talk about tiger, cheetahs, giant pandas, rhinos are the become fear in the number. Fear means less number. So student, these animals are in the danger of disappearing from the earth. Such animals are called endangered animals. What do you mean by the endangered animal, student? Animals that are in the danger of disappearing from the earth, that is called endangered animals. And disappeared animals that have disappeared from the earth, extinct. Endangered animals that are in the danger of disappearing from the earth. If we talk about student, extinct means disappeared. For example, dodo, dinosaurs, they are the extinct. Like if we talk about endangered animals, tiger, cheetah, giant pandas, rhinos, they are becoming fewer in number, less in number. These animals are in the danger of disappearing from the earth. So these animals are called, yes student, endangered animals. Okay. Now there is a student also, look at it, look it up, can see there is a word written WWF. What is the meaning of this? And why does it use the picture of the panda as its emblem? Do you know? First, what is the meaning of WWF? World Wild Fund for Nature. World, this is the meaning of World Wild Fund. World Wild Fund for Nature. And why does it use the picture of panda as its emblem? Now, what is the color of this? You can see the color used, black and white. You can see black and white, WWF. You can written is here also, WWF. You can written here, World Wild Fund, and the color is used only black and white. So student, there is a giant panda is the featured animals on the logo for World Wildlife Fund. as a symbol of, this is a giant panda, giant means big, this giant panda as a symbol of all endangered species that would be able to thrive. It permitted the range and natural environment of their origin. So this giant panda is a representative of World Wildlife Fund commitment to protect wildlife and wild species. Okay, so I hope you understand, student, कि giant panda is the featured animals. That's why, and it is used for logo for World Wildlife Fund as a symbol of all endangered species, and it is a representative of World Wildlife Fund's commitment to protect the wildlife and the wild, yes student, species. So that's why a giant panda is used in this emblem. And what is the meaning of the student? WWF. WWF means World Wildlife Fund for nature. So I hope you understand this. So we have discussed today extinct animals or endangered animals. So there is also key words also. So you can do these keywords in your fair notebook. We have discussed all these defined in previous lecture, whether it is adaptation, vertebrates, invertebrates. We have discussed all these keywords. Okay, now I hope you understand. So student, there is some exercise also you can see. You can find out, just say for example, it is a reptile. Yes student, reptile. Yes student, lizard, and is the process of the moving from cold to warm places in the search of food. Migration, uses its horns as a weapon. Rhino, it is a difficult to spot on a tree. Stick insect. Okay, so in this way you can find out the true and false, and I think I have sent to you all these exercise. Okay students, you read this chapter and do all the question answer of this chapter, and part A, B, C, D you will do in book, and part E, F you will do in fair notebook, and keywords also. Okay students, take care, bye.